For a perfect mix of luxury, nature and history, Richmond Ephesus Resort is a standout choice on Turkey's stunning Aegean coast. Nestled along a beautiful private beach, this resort offers everything you need for a truly unforgettable getaway. The rooms are stylish, spacious and designed for comfort, many with breathtaking sea or garden views. And for beach lovers, the golden sands and crystal clear waters are just steps away. Food is a real treat, with a variety of delicious options, from authentic Turkish cuisine to international flavors, all prepared with fresh, high-quality ingredients. Whether you're looking for daytime activities, water sports, or a moment of tranquility at the spa, there's something for everyone. And as the sun sets, live entertainment and stylish bars create the perfect evening atmosphere. This resort is ideal for those who want to combine relaxation with a touch of history and culture. Richmond Ephesus Resort is a destination worth experiencing.